Hey you guys, SEK back with another video. All right, you guys, so we are finished with my salad bar grow table, I guess slash mini purpose table. But you guys, I'm so excited about it. It turned out really nice. Again, we used 2x4s, about 3-inch nails, and came up with this little trick, you guys. As we were putting the 4x4s in place, we decided to use one of the leftover blocks, and we actually used the blocks to space it, so we didn't have to do like this be mathematicians out here to get the right spacing with, you know, the length of the table, and then dividing it to try to get the spacing right. I usually do a lot of projects by eye. I think this turned out pretty good, and we actually got this done yesterday evening. We started this project pretty much late in the day and decided to run a Lowe's and get it done, and we got it done really quick. One of the things about getting lumber at Lowe's is that you can get it cut down to the size you would like, but being that we got started late in the day, by the time we finish loading them up on the carts, they had already shut down the machine. So the excuse all the time is the machine needs to be serviced, but we all know by the time 5:45 come around, people be shutting down in their areas and Lowe's. But again, we used 2x4s and about 3-inch nails. We did put one nail in each area because this is not treated, so we didn't want to risk the chances of it splitting a lot, because that usually happens when you're not pre-drilling. You get a lot of splits, and we did get some splits in there, but we said we're just gonna deal with it and just enjoy it while we can. Yes, you guys, that is my beautiful harvest for today, and I need to get this taken inside and do like a taste test on these. And what else? It was something else that I wanted to tell you guys. Yeah, this table will definitely be multifunctional. I was saying that it can actually serve as a drying table if I choose to use like one side to dry out different vegetables, especially like the onions. I'm not too sure how I'm going to set this up yet. I'm still trying to figure out some ideas on how to set it up. I may do that. I may put more grow bags up here, or I may use some resin type of plastic roll bins up here, something that can handle the sun. Really undecided. So this is what it looks like. Again, I'm very happy on how this turned out. You guys drop me some lines and give me some ideas what y'all think how I should grow up here. I even thought about letting this be mini citrus area to grow like the dwarf trees. I thought about that. This would be a great area to grow dwarf trees. But I think what I'm going to do as far as growing dwarf trees, I think I'm going to put some up on my deck eventually, probably next season after I renovate my deck, because my deck needs a lot of work. So we're debating how we're going to expand it out. We may bring it outward, and then we may go lengthwise. I think that's what I want to do, go lengthwise. So that is a plan for next season when it comes to my deck, because it is actually about 20 years old, so we got a lot of wood that is rotting, and that needs a lot of boards that need to be replaced. So yeah, that'll be another project for next year. But yeah, you guys, so this is what the table is looking like. So I'm very pleased with it. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yes, I think I'm going to give the headboard a go. I got to get my son to get this inside and probably take it upstairs before it gets water damage. So I'll probably get him to do that when he comes in from work. But yeah, you guys, I think that's exactly what I'm going to do, create a headboard. Now I got to figure out what room it's going to go in. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is a great DIY. It's easy, quick, simple, no rocket science here. So SEK, will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget, share, help SEK out with her algorithm. Let's do this, family, and thumbs up. See you guys real soon. Peace.